Okay, so it is about time to break my fast because I am starving. Yeah, so what we're going to have is some pecan or bacon. Joking, I know it's bacon, but whatever. So we're gonna have some bacon. I usually just cut my bacon right down the middle because I hate like when it overlaps on the side of the pan. So I'm gonna take 4 pieces, like 4 halves, which is 2 pieces. And I am going to have 2 eggs. And I'm going to put a little bit of this queso cheese dip on this low-carb tortilla. And that will be breakfast. Okay? So let's get this started.
Some worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone like you. And all
So while I was still in a fasted state and my food was cooking, I went ahead and took my shot of apple cider vinegar. Still a love-hate thing. It tastes disgusting, but it's so good for you. So I decided to just get it over with.
But I don't want to run away from you. 'Cause baby, I am done. Out of my love for you. Run away with me, 'cause you can't control who you are.
Alright, after this whole ASMR cooking thing, I'm going to go ahead and put about 30 grams of this queso dip on there. I got this at Costco. It is amazing. My bacon got away from me a little bit, but it was okay. It still tasted good. So I went ahead and put my bacon out there, and then my fried egg with a piece of bacon attached and some salsa verde. And this was breakfast, and it was so good. Today I'm working with Care of. Care of is a monthly subscription vitamin service that delivers completely personalized vitamins and supplement packs right to your door. So you're able to build your own vitamin routine that is made just for you and your health goals. It's completely personalized, as you can see in my cute little packet right here. Care of has an online quiz. It asks you about your diet, your health goals, lifestyle choices. They have vegan and vegetarian options available for you guys. It's really just a 5-minute quiz, and it really just gets to know you. And then it's going to go ahead and set you up with some personal vitamins and supplement recommendations. Here are the ones that I chose. You're able to pick and choose what you want. They could suggest some stuff. You cannot get that. You could add more supplements like I chose to do. It's really hard to know which vitamins or supplements you need to take, and they make it so easy. It is so overwhelming when you walk into these stores because there's just aisles and aisles of them. And the great thing is these are sent right to your door. And what I truly love about this is a portion of sales goes to Good Plus, which is a foundation for expectant mothers in need who are in need of prenatal vitamins. So, I mean, it's just a great cause, guys. So make sure you take advantage of this month's special New Year's offer for 50% off your first month of personalized Care of vitamins. Go to takecareof.com and enter the code DDiaries50, and you can save yourself some money and really get this health goals in check and keep doing so good on this journey, guys.
So I'm gonna go ahead and have me a little snack. I'm only gonna have probably half of this and share half of it with my kids because they absolutely love it. But this is basically like a milkshake, but they're calling it like a fat bomb milkshake. So I'm taking 2 frozen strawberries. We're gonna take 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, a half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, a fourth of a cup of, I have half and half. If you have heavy cream, you can use that. And I'm going to use 2 little sugar packets and a splash of vanilla. And yeah, and it's going to be a milkshake, and it's really, really good. So let me go ahead and get that started.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start this. I have 2 frozen strawberries in there, and I'm taking about 28 grams of cream cheese, a fourth of a cup of half and half, a half of a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and a little splash of vanilla, and 2 packets of the Whole Earth monk fruit stevia combo thing. And you just go ahead and blend this up. It tastes exactly like a strawberry cheesecake. It is delicious. So good. My kids absolutely love it. That's why I only get the scraps here and my kids get the big glass of it. But it's so good, guys. Highly recommend you trying it. So it's already later in the day, and I was going to go ahead and have my bulletproof coffee, and I wanted to show you guys how I make it. I use about 15 grams of MCT oil and 1 tablespoon of Kerry butter. I just go ahead and slice it right off. The package already has it like pre-measured. 30 grams of half and half, and a couple packages of these whole herb sweeteners. And I just go ahead and put a little bit of hot coffee in there just to like kind of melt down the butter. And I use this like heavy duty immersion blender because I got it on sale and it works really well. And I go ahead and just blend it up so it gets real frothy. It tastes like heaven. Then I add the rest of my coffee in, and look at that foam, guys. It is amazing and great way to get your fat in. So I'm getting started on dinner. I went ahead and threw this pork shoulder in the crock pot. I seasoned it with a few things, some bay leaves, some sazon. I rubbed it down with some extra virgin olive oil and some salt and garlic. And I cooked it for about 10 hours, and it's just shreddable now. And I'm heating up this cast iron skillet, and I'm gonna fry it in there. So now as that cooks, you don't want to like mash it. You kind of just want to like scoop it up and like just turn it around, because you don't want to like shred it and or like make it like thin. You want it to get really crispy. I'm going to go ahead and serve myself 5 ounces of this pork on a low carb tortilla with a little sour cream and some green salsa, and it was so good. So basically it was like a carnitas like burrito is kind of was my thought behind the whole meal, but it was so freaking good, guys. Highly recommend it. Hey guys, so hopefully you enjoyed today's video, just a full day of eating. I was trying to get my camera to focus on my final macros, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just verbally tell you, sorry, the kids are playing. Even though I asked them to turn their stuff down, they just never listen. So counting it out, we're gonna have 18 net carbs today, 101 grams of fat, and 66 grams of protein. And that should be good. I'm actually really full, so I don't like to force myself. I just kind of like eat until I'm, not hungry anymore. Throughout the day, I was totally drinking lots of water. I don't show that, but it does go on behind the scenes. And make sure you guys check out the Care of Vitamins. I'm gonna have a discount code, and I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Go and get these vitamins, guys. It's totally going to just help you be on top of that game and that fitness nutrition game. It's totally going to make all those achievable, so you have everything right there. You're not carrying around 1,000 different pill bottles. Everything is super compact. You could just take the little package and just throw it in your bag if you're running out for the day, or just when you wake up in the morning, it's right there. You just got to pull it out and you go ahead and take your vitamins. But all right, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and hang out with us. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.